Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home just listed. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 3481 Pocahontas Drive. Great north side area, real desirable part of town. Call the street across the street like it's all on a hill, and it's just like nothing but mega garages. Killer little lake shot from down the street. All nice around, no junk. The driveway on this house is super level, so you can back a boat in real easy. So this one was just listed about a week ago. Current price is $1.399. Let's go on in. Great location for a junction box. Got solar lit stairs all the way up. So this would be considered not a 2-story home, but a tuck under. So it's still considered a single level home, but you have to climb stairs. So you have a pretty extensive front patio set up, has can lights, killer lake views. Beautiful out today. Real nice jointless window right there. Pretty cool setup. You have a real nice view of Cupcake Mountain, Sleeping Indian, and the lake. So also have another big patio on the other side of the house, or the front of the house. So you got integrated speakers, can lights out here. Also looks like there's an 8-foot entry door. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2005, 2,218 square feet. Sits on a big 14,500 square foot lot. Big open living area, travertine tile floors. Huge kitchen, upgraded cabinets, 6-burner gas stove. This is on natural gas. So you have a nice big 8-foot tall slider out to the backyard pool area. Looks like a wood burning fireplace, travertine little tile around it, pot shelves, TV, little down lights. So you have a cool little round dining area with windows out to the backyard pool. It's actually a pretty cool setup. So you have a really nice big kitchen, granite tops. Again, the 6-burner gas stove. Looks like KitchenAid appliances, double oven. Garbage disposal. Little pantry. Gotta have your little bar set up over here. So again, this is considered a single story. You have steps down to the garage area, which we'll go check out. And then it is a split floor plan. So you have the master on one side and the guest bedrooms on the other. So this is the master. Pretty good sized master, has a little extra sitting area and the door out to the front patio. Also has a 8-foot slider and interior doors in here as well. Also have a real big master, dual sinks, look like they're carved out of marble. Nice jetted tub, all travertine tile. You have a cool tile walk-in shower with dual heads, all travertine as well. So you got your little toilet with its own door. Looks like where all the home run, satellite, music stuff goes back here too as well. You also have a big walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so you have the other bedrooms and bath on the other side of the house off the kitchen and living area. So you have a guest bath right behind the kitchen basically, same kind of granite. Life is definitely better at the beach. So across from the bathroom, you have a real nice laundry, granite top, sink, and the all-important commercial grade ice maker. So this is probably either a really nice river house setup or they are using it as an Airbnb. So you can just use this ice chest, load up your boat, and roll out. So yeah, bedroom number 2 on the same side as the laundry, front of the house. Cool little square windows. And the French door to the front patio. Travertine floors in here as well. Typical glass double door closet. So yeah, the third bedroom, front of the house again, door out to the front patio. So this is the room with the seamless window at the front. Pretty cool because you have a nice little view out the window. All right, let's go down and check out the garages. It's got cool little artwork niches with lighting. All travertine tile. 8-foot door to the garage. So you have a real nice garage setup down here. You have a 2-car side that's 47 feet deep with an 8-foot door, 20 foot wide at the door opening, epoxy floors, integrated sound and speakers. You also have a little utility closet right there. So they either just painted or just did the epoxy. It smells like paint or something in here, so fresh paint somewhere. So you also have this RV garage side, 45 feet deep, 13-foot door, 15 feet wide at the door opening. Has power everywhere. Looks like it has a 50 amp RV clean out. Water at the front on a soft water hose bib to wash your car with the spot-free rinse. It's also got a loop up here, not sure, maybe whole house filtration at one point. You also have a central vac system. All right, let's go check out the pool in the backyard. All right, so we're out on the expansive back patio. Just came out the kitchen. Real nice backyard setup. Killer pebble-tec pool with pop-up cleaners. Cool little in-water bar setup. Spillways. Little Baja shelf. Also has a spa. Little waterfall features, kind of cool. pebble-tec looks pretty good. A little chipping and cracking on the cool deck, not a big deal. It's pretty common out here. These guys are chilling the most right here. The little bar stools in the water. Sweet setup. Big back covered patio. Outdoor shower. Little gate to the side yard. Neighbor's yard with nothing, you'll never see them. Real nice covered deal back here. Looks like it's all ready for an outdoor kitchen, pre-wired, pre-plumbed. Just need to get something in. Has the can light, ceiling fan, speakers already in. So you have your little left side of the house if you're looking at it from the front. This could be a real nice vacation rental for sure. All your pool equipment looks good. Nice big heater on natural gas. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Pocahontas. Again, this one was just listed about a week ago for $1.399. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get the current price, original listing pictures, availability. Of course, if you guys ever have any questions at all my contact information is right below this video as usual. Always feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I'm here to help. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.